knowing when to buy and sell stock. The financial markets move on the financial realities of the economy and companies. They also move on people's expectations and emotions, like fear and greed. Knowing when to buy and sell is much harder than anyone may think. Young adults can take more risks because they're investing for the long haul. But they should be careful that they don't invest a lot of money in aggressive hyped investments. Many people don't know about an investment until it gets lots of attention. By the time everyone else talks about it, it's often nearing or at its peak. Before people invest in any individual stock, no matter how great a company they think it is, they need to understand a lot of things. These include the company's line of business, strategies, competitors, financial statements, and competition. Selecting and monitoring good companies takes research, time, and discipline. If a company taps into a product line or way of doing business that winds up highly successful, that success leads to competition. So people need to understand the barriers to entering a market that a leading company has built. They need to understand how hard or easy it is for competitors to join. Simply buying today's rising stocks recommended by analysts often leads to future disappointment. If the company's growth slows or the profits don't come as expected, the stock price can go down. It's easier for many folks to buy stocks after those stocks have had a huge increase in price. But making investments based just on past performance usually leads new investors into overpriced investments. If a lot of people are talking about a sharp rise in the market, and if new investors jump in because they expect huge profits, people should be careful. People don't need to sell their current stocks if they see a market going crazy. But they should diversify the stocks and hold other investments, such as real estate and bonds. Timing the markets is tough. People can never know how high is high and when it's time to sell. Then they can never know how low is low and when it's time to buy. And if they sell certain investments as a profit, they end up paying a lot of federal and state taxes. Like us on Facebook at Money Counselor 1 to learn more about how investing can assist with reaching your financial goals.